My current situation is, dalawa na yung bagets ko. So, it's very hard for me to go back to work. Gusto ko ring mag-goodbye. Mag-say, goodbye. Kasi, hindi ko alam, di ba, kung kailan ko sila makikita ulit. Hello, princess. Good afternoon to you. How are you today, my love? How are you today, my love? Kanya to, tita and tito. Anong oras na? So, today is Wednesday. And it's nearly 4 o'clock ng hapon. Yes, it's nearly 4 o'clock. Tingnan nyo, oh. It's nearly 4 o'clock. Ngayon lang nag-vlog si Mami. Tsaka kami lang dalawa ni Baby Siling dito sa bahay. Where is Daddy and Ate Paris? Where are they? Where did they go? Oh my goodness. They left us. They left us. OMG. OMG. Tiko, 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 tiko. Tiko, 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 tiko. Tiko, 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 tiko. Tiko, 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 tiko. Bigay na tong ating baby girl, guys. O, tingnan niyo ha. Ilagay ko to siya sa harapan niya. She will grab it. Isa nak. Borrow sa si mama nak. Mama, borrow quickly, my love. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niyang bitawan. Give it to mami. Give it to mommy, my love. Here, Sophie, my love. Ay, Josh, big girl naman. Tingnan niyo, oh, she knows how to grab na. Wey, big girl naman ang baby namin. Oy, bite pa more. Bite pa more, anak. Magbabath kami. Are we having a bath? And she loves her bath. So, ayan. Ilabas ko na to. And, we'll take off your clothes na, anak. Okay? Okay? Yes, Celine Ray? Are you listening to your mother? Here you go. You're listening to your mother? Oop. Wala dito ngayon si Ate Paris siya kasi Daddy Mike, guys. Pumunta sila ng shops. Dinala ni Daddy Mike because, diba, he's been sick. And he's been promising Paris na dadalhin niya sa labas. So, ayun, nag-date yung dalawa. And they kept sending me photos. Sobrang cute nilang dalawa, guys. Kaya naiwan kami ni Baby Celine dito. And ngayon, paliliguan ko na yan siya. Sobrang messy dito sa bahay, guys. Tingnan nyo, ha. So, kakaano ko lang ng box. Gumawa ako ng box. Ayan, para lagyan na ng mga kung anik-anik. At itong isang box ay for the Philippines. So, ito yung pangatlo. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Tape na tape talaga si mami nyo, guys. Na-trauma na talaga ako doon sa last box natin ba. Sobrang nasaktan ng aking puso. So, ayan. This is the third one. Yung first, tsaka yung second, ready na. So, they will be picked up sometime tomorrow. Sabi nila, hindi nila alam kung anong oras, basta within 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, yan. So, yung kulang na lang is, yung na lang dito, pag-tape na lang nitong dalawa. And then, alam nyo ba, bibili pa ko ng isa pang box. So, there will be 4 boxes altogether. Pero bukas, yung dalawa lang yung pipick upin. And then, yung other 2 will be next Tuesday. So, may time pa ako para ipack. Kasi, alam nyo guys, sobrang dami pa guys. Alam nyo, damit lang ni Daddy Mike. Goodness gracious. So, ito lahat yung pangalawa. Walang akin dito. Wala, lahat ng laman nito. Ay, umiyak ng aking baby girl. Lahat ng laman nito ay kay Daddy Mike. Yung mga damit niya, jeans, shirts, yung mga hoodies and everything. Sapatos, oh my God. Sobrang dami sapatos. Hindi ko na bubulongkatin guys. But, dyan. And then, dito, ito yung may mga, mga pagkain, yung mga chocolates, yung mga, basta, may mga, shampoo, conditioner. Tapos ito, yung ilalagay ko naman dito is yung mga damit ko. And, yeah, some shoes, and then some, meron pang mga kung anik-anik na malalagay natin dito. And this one, ito yung pinak ni Daddy Mike kahapon. And then, gumawa ulit ako ng isa pang box para slowly ba. Hindi din kasi kami makapaglagay ng maraming box straight away dito, guys. Kasi, obviously, aalis na kami, diba? So, they are... Anong tawag dito? Advertising the house now for lease. So, may mga araw na, from now on, may mga araw na may mga tao na papasok dito para anong tawag nun, guys? Mag-inspect. Ganon. Yung mga, mga potential na next na mga tao na magre-renta sa bahay na to. So, we have to make sure na parang neat pa rin siya tingnan para naman hindi naman tayo mahiya, and also, para hindi din naman, lugi para sa may-ari ng bahay. Kasi, if it's clean and it's neat, it's tidy, then, most likely, maraming magkakagusto na mag-stay dito. So, ayun, and mga boxes pa dun, guys. Basta, guys, sobra. Dami pa talagang kailangan gawin. But, other than that, I'm happy that we're starting now, and then itong dalawa, wala na to siya bukas. So, we'll have another space. And, yeah, this one tonight, ito yung gagawin ko tonight. And, yeah, hopefully, wala pa pala akong box. So, yung isang box na bibilhin ko ay dun pa sa, dun pa sa Springvale. So, kukunin ko pa sa Filipino store. And I have to make this happen fairly soon kasi pipick upin na sila sa Tuesday. So, di ba? Kailangan na okay na silang lahat. Ready na silang lahat for Tuesday. And this one, we're going to have a shower, our bath nap. Magbabat ang baby na palang guys sa mama. Palakas mama. Can you see yourself? That is Celine. Say, welcome back to our channel.
A few moments later.
Hi. Who loves her butt? Do you love your butt? Ikush. Mermaid. Celine. Hi.
A few moments later.
Nakauwi na, oh. Where's the Annabelle?
Annabelle.
Bullying it?
Annabelle.
Are you bullying it?
Nay.
Tingnan nyo, yung tatay nyo yung nagbihis sa kanya kanina.
Like a chicken box.
Tingnan nyo, nilagyan ng ganyan. Huh? How was your date with Daddy? Good? Yeah, did you enjoy your time with him?
Yeah, it's been really good.
Yeah? What did Daddy get for you?
Some ice cream.
And?
Strawberry ice cream. Smarties. Gummies.
Wow.
Gummy.
That's a lot of sugar.
Gummy jelly beans and gummy bears and Smarties.
Okay.
I only like sugar.
You're very lucky, aren't you? Tingnan nyo. Ito yung pinasuot sa kanya. Ayan.
Chocolate.
Tapos
And I eat a chocolate bread with chocolate. See the chocolate?
Pero bibihisan ko na to siya ngayon, guys.
I got this.
Come on, we'll change quickly. Nagbihis si mami nyo, guys. And also, ayan, naglagay-lagay tayo ng pulbo sa mukha. Ayan, para mamukha tayong tao. So, may lakad kami ngayon. I am going to see my colleagues. So, I left work. Nag-start yung maternity leave ko July this year. So, August, September, October, November, December. So, it's been 5 months na hindi ko sila nakita. But then, di ba, alam nyo naman that we're going to Queensland. Doon na kami titira. So, may nagtanong nga sa akin, guys, dito sa YouTube kung ano daw mangyayari sa work ko. So, at the moment, I'm still on leave. So, I am taking the whole 12 months maternity leave. So, I'm not really going back to work until July next year. So, meron pa akong time. Anyways, last week, kinausap ko ang aking boss tsaka yung aking manager regarding nga sa change of location. Meron naman kaming opisina doon, guys, sa Brisbane. But then, the thing is, yung sinabi ko sa kanila, kasi nga, diba, now, my current situation is, dalawa na yung bagets ko. So, it's very hard for me to go back to work full-time. So, sabi ko sa kanila, you know, we're moving up to Queensland, and when I am due to come back to work, yung ma-offer ko lang sa kumpanya is part-time, which is 2 days per week. Yun lang yung maiisip ko sa ngayon, guys. Kasi, alam nga naman ano yung gawin ko dito sa dalawa, diba? And also, kapag ilalagay ko silang dalawa sa childcare, guys, sobrang mahal. I don't think, you know what I mean? Kung silang dalawa sa childcare, tapos mag-work ako, I feel like yung salary ko sa work ay ibabayad lang sa childcare, diba? So, I prefer to just, you know, look after my kids din kung ganun din naman yung mangyayari. I love the company. I seriously love working with them kasi parang tinuturing nila akong family, and also I'd love to stay with them. And then, yun na nga sabi ko, is it possible? What are the chances of me working from home 2 days a week? So, it means hindi ako alis ng bahay. So, sa bahay lang ako mag-work. That 2 days, they didn't say no naman, guys. Sabi nila, pag June ako na bumalik sa work, then we will talk about the arrangements sa work ulit. And see, you know, if they can do 2 days for me working from home. But if they won't be able to do that for me, guys, to be honest, okay lang talaga sa akin. Kasi, I prefer naman talaga na magstay ako sa bahay looking after the kids muna. Because I know that one day, pag nag-school na si Paris, and then Celine, we can put sa childcare, then, you know, I can always find a job. I can always go back to the workforce. So, if they say yes, then, you know, then it's good. It's perfect. Kasi, you know, it would be nice to have a job and, you know, just stay, you know, working from home 2 days a week. So, at least nandun pa rin ako for the kids. And, you know, if it's not feasible for the company, then it's totally fine for me, guys. But yeah, anyways, so, tonight, Christmas party ng company dito sa Melbourne na office. So, they're going somewhere like a restaurant and all. So, nakausap ko yung boss ko ulit kahapon, and then they said, you know, I could come kasi gusto ko ring mag-goodbye. Mag-say, goodbye. Kasi hindi ko alam, diba, kung kailan ko sila makikita ulit. Kasi I'm not sure as well kung babalik pa ako ng trabaho or what not, diba? So, gusto kong makita sila before kami mag-move sa Queensland. So, this is the perfect time na makita ko silang lahat kasi in one setting, nandun silang lahat. And since aalis na kami ng January 4, tapos mag-holiday na kasi sa work, guys, hindi sila babalik hanggang 10th of January. So, hindi ko na sila makikita talaga na sila lahat in one place. So, yun yung pupuntahan natin ngayon. Actually, that's why pag nagsasalita ako, parang hinahabol ako ng aso kasi we are rushing now, guys. Kailangan ko pang bihisan si Paris, si Daddy, hinahawakan niya si Celine, and then mag-ready pa rin si Daddy Mike. So, alam niyo yun. But I'll take you with us. I don't know if makakapag-vlog tayo doon na nandun ang aking mga colleagues. We might take a photo maybe, but yeah, I'm not sure if I can do some vlogging, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll see you again later on. Nabihisan ko na. You're a beautiful girl. Beautiful girl, mama. Papadali ko muna to siya before kami umalis. Kasi it's around 40 minutes drive from here. So, daddy natin ay nandun na ayun. So, dadalhin na yung pram sa sasakyan. And the big girl will have her day. Kailangan nga naman makaalis mga, kahit ano, guys, mga 10 past 6. No? Ate Paris! Come here, ate! Okay, come here. Sit down here, babe. Ate and Ate will, and Mommy will get Ate Paris ready, okay? Naka-ready na pala to siya, guys. Ano na lang, touch up na lang. Sit down here, be.
This one.
Sit down. Tingnan nyo. So, yung change ko lang sa kanya is yung kanyang buhok. So, binilibod ko ng ganyan. Pero andyan pa rin yung kanyang bandana. Sit down here. Come on, so we can go now. We're running late.
Can me.
Sit down here, Papa. Can you?
Yeah. I can do it.
We'll see. We'll see. And change ko yung kanyang, yung kanyang top. The same pa rin yung kanyang jeans.
Do bunny ears.
Bunny ears. Tingnan nyo kasi tinuruan siya ng daddy niya. Bunny ears, bunny ears.
I can do the other ones. Please.
Okay. What's gonna happen now?
It's gonna work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Be, show mama, be.
Nice. Too little for it. It's too little. I gotta make one little. Mikey, can you make it?
Mama will fix it for you. Okay? Okay, you hold this, you talk, tell them where we're going, and Mama will fix it. Yeah.
Mommy, and today we're going to Mommy's party. Party. Girl. 49 sticks. And I'll see you later.
We're ready to go!
Have a look at your baba.
We're ready to go! Who's that her milk? Who's that her milk? Hi, Daddy.
Hey, what's up?
Careful ha, the back ha.
Okay.
Ayan, so alis na kami guys. Ito yung outfit natin. Kalma lang tayo kasi hindi naman tayo magano dun. Say, bye lang naman tayo. Ayan. So, underneath, I have these shorts and then just the white, ang tawag yun guys? Spaghetti top. And then, pinarisan ko lang ng sobrang dilim ng itong coat from Gucci. Alam niyo yung binili ko from, tawag dito, online, live selling. From Madam Marikit. Ayan. Ito yun siya, guys. Ginanyan ko lang. Tapos, hindi ko na-close para casual lang ang dating. And then, I've got white na sneakers. That's my bag. Messy at the back. Messy everywhere.
I see that.
We're going now. Hi, Tita and Tito.
Hi, Tita Tito.
We're going.
We're going, Tito.
Ayan. Pagkita ng Tita and Tito, our outfit na. May, pause for Tita and Tito. Let's go na. Oh, maano pala siya, guys. Oh, medyo makulimlim ba? Baka uulan mamaya. Come here na. We'll go now, guys, ha? We'll see you when we get there. Mabush. Paris is very excited. Maragiyang party. We're just crashing the party, ba?
Tito Ron is there.
Yeah, you're right. Daddy, Paris said, I think Tito Ron is there.
Yeah, he is.
He will be there, honey.
We'll talk about it today.
Honey. Our good girl is there. We're going now. Ready, Sadie?
Where's my hand? Is that under here? No, I don't.
I'll put it on Waze.
Wanted the ano? Oh yeah. You have the address already. I told you, yeah. Hello, Daddy. Ang gwapo ng ating Daddy Michael.
Let's go.
Guapo. Do you know what guapo is, Daddy?
Yeah. Handsome as F.
Okay. Ayan, 6:06 na. We're going now. See you later.
Something in your ears right here.
A few moments later.
We're here now. Nakita ko na pala yung mga colleagues ko dito kanina. They passed by. Malapit lang naman dito. 250 meters lang daw, lakad. Ating Paris ay nakatulog. Here's a little one here. She's awake. Yan, sobrang laway-laway. So, nakausap ko na ang ating bestie Ron. And he's still on his way. Nag-Uber lang siya, guys. Kasi, alam niyo naman, diba? Christmas party nga. So, kain-kain. And then, inom-inom. Ganon. So, hindi siya makakapag-drive pa uwi. So, he took the Uber. lucky din naman kasi the company will cover it, you know what I mean? So, wala naman silang kailangang bayaran doon. So, kahit na mag-Uber pa sila pa, ano, papuntang Sydney. Ano na pala ngayon? So, mga 7 na talaga ngayon, guys. Paris! Paris! Do you know where we're going?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We'll go that way. So, yung mga kasamahan ko sa trabaho, guys, mainly, mga lalaki silang lahat. So, drink pa more. Ako lang yung girl lalo. Where's the?
Where's your office?
The office? My office is far away from here, anak. She's sleeping?
Like the party one.
What is it, anak?
The party, your one.
The party? Yeah, here, anak. Somewhere here, Baba. Oh, yeah, true south. Oh, no, staff access only. Could be the front.
This is how we do it.
Ito yung main road, oh. Shops everywhere. Oh, maybe it's there.
I'm in the front.
Yeah. Oh, there's a big Christmas tree, naka? Ah, not Christmas tree, just lights. So just, yeah, say hello everyone. Hello and goodbye. Paris. Na-miss niya ang mga elves. Andun, oh. Andun na lang. Kawawa naman si Paris. Ah, nandyan sila kanina ba, oh? Wala na. Pumasok na sila sa kanilang ano. Pumasok na sila. So, ayan guys. Natapos na rin ang ating pagpapaalam. Paalam talaga. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog dun, guys. But, I took a photo. And, yeah, it was really good to see everyone. Yan, dito kami. So, nandyan guys, oh. Diyan yung, ano, yung restaurant. Tapos, sa harapan ay yung dagat. Yan. So, yeah. No, they're so lovely, guys. Like, seriously, that's why, you know, I love my colleagues. And, you know, I could feel that, you know, they love me too. So, it's good na nakapag, ano na tayo, nakapagpaalam na tayo, ganun. Kasi, obviously, we're Queensland, Melbourne sila. So, might not see each other. Ang ganda dito, guys. Oh! Wow! Super nice! May ano, oh, park ko. Ito siya, payak-iyak na. Umalis kami. Kasi po, payak-iyak na ang ating baby still. She's sleepy na. She needs to move. Yeah. Honey, go. It's a bit cold. Meron nga akong jacket na. I'm cold na. Tingnan nyo ang ating Daddy Mike ko. Wala akong jacket. Maghanap kami na makakain. So, Daddy, we're gonna get something to eat. Ay, shush. Okay. Daddy, we're gonna get something to eat.
Yeah.
Gonna find kasi anong oras na, be? It is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock na. So, we'll go. Ano? Ewan ko kung anong kainin namin. But ang ating baby Celine ay paiyak-iyak na. I don't know why. She's cool naman kasi napadilig na naman yan siya. Sleepy lang yan siguro na. So we have to keep moving. Hindi pwedeng mag-stop.
Cheers.
Cheers again.
I love you.
What have you got there, Daddy? What's that?
Merlot.
Huh?
Merlot.
Molo. What's that?
MERLOT.
Oh.
French. Just like my daughters.
I have my hot chocolate's not here yet. Dito pala kami ngayon sa Italian restaurant. Sleepy pa rin. Kaya pala siya payak-iyak na kayo na very sleepy. Spaghetti bolognese for me. Daddy's got what's that, Daddy?
Amatriciana. Yeah.
What is it now? Pasta. What are you having? Pizza. And it's my hot chocolate as well. Hala, bakit nila ako binigyan ng ano nito? Dapat ay dito. What is it now?
Mine's been too long.
Yours been too long?
Yeah, already one.
Kasi wala pa yung sa kanya, guys. Oh, have a look what's coming.
Oi.
No. Wow, Paris. Thank you.
Gonna take a jacket off?
Oh my goodness, yeah, we'll take a jacket off. Take a jacket off, be comfortable.
There's got pizza. Ham and cheese.
Share?
I will share with you.
Yes. I mean this one.
Careful because it's hot.
Okay, slide a little bit.
Blow.